I got my Farmasi package today. I can't wait to open it. If you'd like to watch me open it and go through it, stay tuned. All right, let's get through this package right here. I'm so excited. I love getting my Farmasi in the mail. This is what I call happy mail. Got to get through all the bubble wrap here. They do take care and they package it well, although the delivery companies don't always take care of it. So I had to re-up on my hair care and my skin care. Let me see if I can get this out. I apologize. Get that out of the way. Okay. So I just decided to go ahead and get the whole set again. So I would have this nice convenient little carry bag, and during the winter months my skin really needs the moisture. So I got the calendula, which I love. Oh, my skin just drinks it up. I do kind of use the Lumi Radiance during the day, and I'll probably order that next time, but right now the moisturization is the most important thing for me right now. So that's why I'm re-upping on this one. There we go. Nice little carry bag. That'll fit nicely in a suitcase. So let's see what's in this little bag. I know what's in it, but I'm just going to show you. Oh, and they even wrap everything inside. Very nice. Very, very nice. Okay. Let's get this out of the way. Oh, cool. Oh, I love the kit. When I ordered it individually before, it didn't come with the instructions and how to use it and what each thing is for. Now, I have that. So it tells you, you know, what the wash, the toner, the face cream, the cream balsam, and the oil is for. I'll absolutely love this line. Okay, so let's start with the... It comes with a face wash. Comes with the calendula oil. Oh, and I was thinking, you know, I didn't want to put oil on my skin. Oh, but I was wrong. This stuff is amazing. I love it. Here's the calendula face cream. And the balsam. The cream balsam. This is a little heavier. I will put this on at night, and I will use this on my hands and my elbows. I love it. It's very good. So it fits all nicely in this little pouch. So whenever I have to travel, I just throw that in my suitcase, and there you go. All those goodies in one pouch right there. So there's that. And then I needed... The calendula line doesn't come with an eye cream. I have been using the Age Reverses eye cream, but I thought I would try the aqua. So in addition to my calendula set, I do have the eye cream that I'll be using for my eyes. And I'm going to slip it in this little bag here, so it's all together. So I have my cleanser, my toner, my eye cream, and my moisturizer. This is new. This is the vitamin C effervescent tablets that you drop in your water. And the first Nutra Plus line that they introduced was the coffee. I love the coffee. You may have heard me say it before. I love the coffee. I'm a coffee connoisseur, and this coffee is amazing. These are little tablets that you drop in your water. Vitamin C and zinc and vitamin D. So just drop that in your water and take it like you normally do. Now, I have another one, and it's taller than the one that I got from Walmart. So we're going to try these. I'm going to let you know how we feel. But during this season, we want to keep our immunity system up because we don't want to get sick. And my hair care line. I had some hair loss after recovering from an illness, and I believe a lot of people have said they have too. I started using this line and it slowed the hair loss down. I think the hair loss has stopped for now, and you can see with a little tiny growth. I actually got a little bald spot here, but you can see it growing now. It doesn't style right, but I'm not going to complain about that because my hair is growing. This is the Reviving Hairline. And this little baby right here, I had this. I didn't order it the last time. It came as a free incentive in my package. And so I thought, why not? So I use this. You put this on. I believe you let it sit on your scalp for about 30 minutes before you wash it. And I even put it on and slept overnight and then washed my hair in the morning. So I think either way, but you use that. And then the shampoo. Now the shampoo, I was kind of scared because it does have like garlic oil and, you know, things like that. And I was like, I don't want my hair to smell like garlic. Believe me, this does not smell like garlic. You wash your hair, it smells fresh, it smells clean, and it has a shine to it. So don't worry about it smelling like garlic. It does not smell like garlic, and it really does do wonders for your hair. And then it's the Reviving Mask, which is what you would normally call conditioner, I believe. So you put that in. You don't want tangles in your hair because you don't want to pull your hair out, you know, if you're already losing your hair. So this just helps it to stay manageable. So I re-upped on my hair care line with the oil and the shampoo and the conditioning mask for my hair. So there's that. And then they have lipsticks on sale. So I bought a new one. And I usually, this is my color I've been wearing. It's called Retro Rose. And it's kind of a lighter color that does dry matte. So I thought I wanted to try something maybe a little more shimmer. Oh, this is dark. I'll have to see. But it was the color. What did I order? It was in the red family. I don't see it. I think it was Very Red or Cherry or something like that. But next time you see me on camera, I may be wearing this. So I got a new lipstick. And this is what I got free. Some Christmas socks. So let's pull these babies out and see what it was. So this was the incentive for one of the December incentives. Oh, it came in a cute little box here. Well, if I can open them. There we go. Got some green ones. Has little fuzzies on the top here. Really cute. Has a little snowman on it. It says Farmasi. And then some red ones. Also with the snowman and the little fuzzies. These are very cute. I will put these to use. If I don't wear them, I will give them to somebody that will. And then lastly, I got another catalog. If you would like one of these catalogs, I'd be happy to send you one. If you'll just message me or send me an email, which is in the description below, I'll be happy to send you one. The first part of it is all the cosmetics and all that. And then it reverses. This is the Dr. Tuna line with the skincare and the Reviving Hair line and all that sort of thing. So there you have it. Bunch of little goodies in this bag. I love this bag right here. And I'm looking forward to using all of this. And I'm looking forward to taking this for the first time and seeing how it helps boost our immunity. So until I see you next time, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you later. Bye.